Who are you?
I brought these for your daughter, Machi. It's her birthday today, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Please, keep these for her. Very important.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Asaman.
Thank you very much. No, you're welcome. Thank you, Mama. Hey. I am sorry.
Sorry for what exactly?
I forgot it was your birthday.
Oh, that. Well, Mama, you don't have to be sorry. Don't worry, when I get married, my husband will celebrate it for me.
But I still cooked something nice for you. It's inside. I cooked for my lovely, hard-working daughter. A daughter that is as strong as two men put together.
Agaba.
Hey! Shall we go back to you? Somebody brought this for you, this gift. He said his name is Asa. You don't know him?
Anybody by that name?
He's well built, a bit on the first side, handsome, with a smiling face.
I can't know. I've not met someone, but besides, Mother and Asa, I broke one to work. It's a Nasa Bazo, Asa, Alela.
Well, this one is Asa Mad. Why not open it? Let's see what's inside.
No, I'm not going to open it till I see the person that brought it. It could be one of those men that sing, I want to marry you, Machi. I want to marry you, Machi. Whenever they see me walk past. So, I have to see the person to be sure it's somebody I like.
Man and woman, any man that remembers your birthday and decides to bring you a gift, that man must be a nice man. I must really like you.
Yeah. Mama, he's a nice man because, like you said, he's well built, a bit handsome, with a smiley face. Before you know it, get a sim, go and marry him.
Mana, you reached a married age now.
Let me eat.
Act like it,
let me eat my food.
It's about that. But the end of them, I want my car. Hey, I won't care. Let us see.
Morning.
I have been waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yes. And I'm glad you can see me.
I can't remember meeting you before.
Nice necklace.
Oh yes, it's very nice. A special one gave it to me on my birthday.
And I guess you like it.
Yes, I like it. like it.
I'm happy you like it. Do you mind if I double it? And you are so beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful.
He's handsome. Wow. This is beautiful. They're so beautiful. Mama, good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
Very fine, Mama. Hey, Mama, the man that brought the gifts, when is he coming back?
He didn't say he was coming back. Oh.
Yeah. Alright.
Wait. What's that on your neck?
Oh, Mama. It's from the gift he brought. I took it from the gift he brought. In fact, Mama, the gifts are plenty and they're very beautiful. For instance, look at this one. Is it not beautiful?
Come close now.
This will be enough to appease him.
Are you sure this will work?
Yes. If I'm not good, they wouldn't have asked you to come here.
Talk to me, Mama. Is it not beautiful?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
So, I really need to see that man.
Yes.
The only man that has remembered my birthday and actually brought me gifts. If I'm special to him, he must be a special man too.
Oh, right. It must be.
Yes. Let me continue.
Okay.
Let it not be what I am thinking. I thought this man was gone forever. Hey! I think he's back.
No. His back is still against the wall.
But I saw my daughter wearing one of the jewelries.
Many jewelries look alike in this world. As far as I'm concerned, he cannot come back again because he accepted the sacrifice.
But under much persuasion.
He accepted the sacrifice anyway. scared. You don't have to be scared. Go home. Go home.
I know the jewelries. Remember, I bought them myself. Here's a one. Here's a one. Look at this.
Take this out of my sight! You stubborn woman! Why do you doubt me? Can you see beyond these walls?
But I told you, they look exactly...
Get out! Out! Get out! Could this be true?
Hey, Machi, have you heard from the man that brought those gifts?
No, Mother. I'm not.
Oh, well. Okay.
Did you see that?
Okay. See what? See what?
Ije mmiri, ije oyibo, ije mmiri, ije oyibo, asa mmiri, asa oyibo, asa mmiri, asa oyibo, ijerebe, asa oyibo. Ijerebe asoyibo ego mmiri ego oyibo ijerebe asoyibo ije mmiri ije oyibo.
You have a nice voice.
How long have you been listening to me?
Not quite long.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Come.
You've not told me your name.
I have.
No, you haven't.
But you know me. You know my name. There's no need of telling you.
I can't remember.
Can you hear that?
Hear what?
They are celebrating our reunion.
Our reunion?
Yes.
How do you mean?
With time, you will know. In time, you will know.
you going?
I wanted to.
Shh! Now, get inside your room.
Good night, Baba.
Jealousy, this is pure jealousy. God, you may wonder, but then you still it is in love, oh, human being is in love. Survival of the fittest. Love, yes, it was a love.
Gele gele malu gele, malu gele gele malu gele, kele a kole a, malu gele gele malu gele, malu gele, malu gele.
What language is that?
If you listen very well, you will understand it.
So, what is the song saying?
If you understand the language, you understand what the song is saying.
Tell me, please.
It's a love song.
I wish I could understand it. Sing it again.
Malu gele gele malu gele, malu gele gele malu gele, kele a kole a, malu gele gele malu gele, malu gele, malu gele.
Beautiful song. And you're a very soft man.
Thank you. I have been soft from the beginning. But they took you away.
Who did? But we just met.
Malu gele gele malu gele, malu gele gele malu gele, kele a kele a, kele a kele a, malu gele gele malu.
Machi, what madness is this? Mama. You were touching yourself. Do you know in your dream?
No, I can't get you. I was not doing anything in my dream.
But I saw you. Hey, look, oh, if there's something wrong, better tell me. Let's know how to deal with it.
No, I'll be correct, Mark. I was not doing anything in my dream. Please.
I got in trouble. I saw her. Machi! Who taught you know?
Papa, Machi, what is it? Why are you making love to someone in your dream? What kind of question is that? By the way, what is wrong in making love in my dream?
Everything is wrong with it, Machi. Everything is wrong with it. I am your mother and I will tell you the truth. Now tell me, who were you making love to? Here.
Mama, dream or what game? Here. There's nothing wrong in making love in the dream, please, oh, Mama. Wait, is that why you woke me up from my beautiful sleep?
You should have seen yourself.
Excuse me.
Yeah? Machi, are you walking out on me? You're walking out on your mother, okay? So what do you know? When the trouble of sleeping with someone in your dream comes, you will see me and you will tell me your story.
Machi, there's something I want to ask you.
Okay, what is it?
Promise me you will not be angry.
As long as it's not a stupid question, I will not be angry.
It is not a stupid question. You will not be angry, Abi.
I said I will not be angry. Maya Bukwana stupid question.
That time we were taking our bath in the river.
Okay.
I noticed some strange marks on your breast. And your nipple was red. Are you seeing a man?
I told you from the beginning not to ask me a stupid question. What kind of stupid...
And you promised me you will not be angry. Now you're angry.
I have not seen any man. I have not seen any man. And don't you ever ask me this type of stupid, senseless question again.
I'm sorry. I know you're just avoiding my question. But that doesn't change the fact that I know a woman who is seeing a man who likes breasts. Ma! Sorry! I'm sorry! Wait now. Ma! Wait now.
You've been indoors ever since you came back from the river. Are you okay?
Mama, what kind of question is that one? You're beginning to check on me like a little girl. I don't like it. It's making me uncomfortable.
I was just worried about your solitude.
You're too silent today. Are you not going to sing for me?
I will sing you a new song. But first, I have a gift for you.
Really? A gift? What is that?
Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes. Okay, fine. My eyes are closed. Stay closed. Mama.
I know you very well. I know something is bothering you.
Okay, wait. I want to ask you something.
So you want to talk now? What is it?
Never mind.
Is it about the man you're seeing?
I'm not seeing any man.
I see you don't want to talk about him, but one day you'll tell me.
I'm not seeing any man.
Are you going to force a man on me?
Is it bad to, no? Is it bad to do, Stop looking at me like that. Is it bad to have sex in the dream?
Do you have sex in your dream?
I asked you a question, you're throwing it back at me.
Sorry. I don't know, but some people say it is evil. Why some say it is a sign of fertility? Machi, can you tell me what the problem is?
You know what? Forget it. I'll be fine.
Do you know you can always trust me?
I have always trusted you.
Are you scared? Whatever the problem is, you will be fine.
for you?
I'm fine. Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I am looking for you. Actually, I was the one calling yesterday, but you refused to look back.
Oh, you were the one calling me at the market junction yesterday.
Exactly.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
So what can I do for you?
Can we sit down in a quiet place and talk?
Oh no, I don't have that kind of time. I'm going to cook for my mother. She's waiting for me.
Don't worry, I won't waste your time.
Maybe some other time.
When? Tomorrow?
I don't know.
Okay, can I drop you at home?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Oh, sorry, what's your name?
My name is Machi.
Okay, Machi, can we see tomorrow, maybe somewhere?
Like I said before, I don't know. Have a nice day.
Okay. Can I ask you why you're looking so worried?
Yeah, I'm just tired. I went to the farm and I had to come here for this appointment.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that, okay?
So why are we here?
Okay, let me go straight to the point. I see you all the time and I've decided within myself that you're the kind of woman I want as my wife.
Okay, thank you. But I'm not ready for marriage now.
No, I am not saying you should get married to me now. I mean, you can go home and think about it. Because I'll be leaving to the city in the next 2 weeks.
I can go home and think about it, right?
Yes.
All right.
Do you want anything? Do you want me to do anything for you?
No, thanks.
Okay. Since you want to go and help your mother, you can go ahead and do so.
All right.
Yeah. You didn't even care to ask me of my name.
Sorry, I was going to ask you that. Okay. So what is your name?
My name is Obi. Obiefuna.
Okay. Obiefuna, what do you do for a living?
Okay, I import some goods from Spain, tiles and some other building materials.
Spain is bunko obodo Igbo.
Wow.
Nyani na-eje abata.
Pure.
In that case, you have seen plenty city women, even white women, different shapes and sizes. So you decided na village girl to Kalise. In other words, why do you want to marry a village woman?
This is my village, oh.
You have not answered my question.
But I've told you that I saw a good woman in you, and I would love to make you my wife.
Okay.
My regards to your mother. Wow. Machi, how are you? My dear, I said, how are you?
Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Inano.
What is this? What is happening?
What else do you want if not to do, with me? Womanizer. Before God.
Machi.
We are working.
I'm so sorry.
Look at what your bad luck has caused. No. Don't touch it. Me when you belly. What is it? Eh? Are you jobless? You want to call? Don't you have things meaningful to do with your life other than following a village woman around the village? Don't you?
I'm sorry about that.
Sorry for your stupid self, womanizer.
I'm not a womanizer.
Second, I'm making my way bully if you touch my firewood. What is it? Am I the only woman in this village? I'm not fear. You will not go and face your city girlfriends. It's me. Each testing one in village. I'm not fear. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Womanizer. Don't go to the city and look for all these big girls. Come on. Let me see you come close to me again. I will break your glass. You see it. How could you do a thing like that? Do you know, I could swear you wouldn't do such.
Sorry, I didn't know what came over me.
It's not a matter of I'm sorry. You have to go and apologize to him.
Where do I see him?
Find him. Just find him anywhere. Who knows? He might be your soulmate.
I ask again, where do I see him?
You will see him again. And when you see him, don't go and be doing your village thing. Just apologize to him. Machi, you're changing by the day. If there's anything bothering you, you can talk to me. I am your friend.
The only thing bothering me is you. Yes, your plenty question is scattering my head. You're the only thing bothering me. If you don't know, let me tell you now.
Sorry.
I'll be on my way, Biko.
Hey, let me see you off.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
Okay.
Where are you heading to?
I'm going home.
Okay. Let me drop you.
I am sorry for yesterday.
It's okay. I was thinking if we could sit somewhere and talk.
Eh?
I knew it. You want us to go somewhere now and talk. From going somewhere and talking to lying somewhere and doing it. That is your mission. You want to come and do me, you know.
Why are you behaving and acting like a village girl?
Hey! Otakema! Are you just knowing that I'm a village girl? Eh? You left all those people in the city to come here to tell me that I'm a village girl. You're very stupid.
Why are you doing like this?
Stop this car! Stop this car! Stop! Stop this car! I'll break you! Stop it! Stop! Idiot! Oh!
Kaku is one baring. Eh? Is Madam Koi Koi. What has come over this girl? Hey. Nikuna anya bikun. Eh? Hey, we need to go to the diluted or wanje. Nikuna anya bikun.
Hugo, I'm here.
Marty, I've been knocking in front. Are you alright? Where's your mother?
She went out.
You promised to tell me about your new manager.
There's nothing to tell about him.
There's nothing to tell about him, or you don't just want to diss me?
Listen, Chugo, I told him not to come close to me again.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Machi, see, you really need to check yourself. I am sure something is wrong with you. How could you say that to him? The only man that has come to you.
Chugo, please. Please don't make me feel guilty.
You're feeling guilty, you're asking not to come back. It is alright. If he is destined to be yours, he will come back.
I need time to deal with something.
Are you seeing another man? I know you like him, so stop fighting it. I saw him around the village early this morning. You can go look for him.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please, can we talk?
Okay.
I couldn't sleep last night. I didn't mean to insult you. Please, I'm sorry.
Where are you heading to?
No way, I'm just walking around looking for you. Okay, he is such a calm and lovely man.
You know you haven't talked about a man like this before. Hey, my friend is already in love.
Stop saying that. I don't know what I'm feeling. I don't know.
It's love. You're in love. Love be wanting to. Honestly, ma, I'm so happy for you.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'll see you when I'm back.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Stop smiling.
Stop going.
Mama, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
No, that matter. Please get him a seat.
No, Mama. Don't worry, I will sit you when next I come. Yes.
Baba, he's the one I'll be telling you about. Oh, now you're welcome.
Who is your father?
I'm Mr. Osondo's last son.
Osondunke. Ah, that is good to hear. Your father is a good man. Osondo used to share injections during Christmas period when he was still with the local government. Please greet him for me, oh. Tell him that you came to Onwaka's house.
Oh, I will. Yes. I will.
Onwaka.
Mama, let me run along. Some people are waiting for me at home.
Okay. Take care. Looks like you like him.
Mama, he's a good man. He's a gentleman.
Ah, his father too is a gentleman.
Honestly. Mama, he said he'll be coming with his people next week.
Hey! Hey! Next week you come. Imam Puzina. Oh, that's wonderful. Ah, that is good to hear.
Honestly, I don't know how it happened. How I accepted him just like that.
That is what love can do, my friend.
This Saturday, he will be coming to my house for the first marriage introduction.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
And don't you think you should tap my back for convincing you he's a nice person?
Do you still need that? I'm so happy for
Anyway,
you.
thank you. And don't forget to come to my house very early tomorrow to help me with the cooking.
Are you telling me? If I don't come, who will?
Well, thank you so much. I can't wait.
My friend, Mrs. Obi.
You are looking at the latest bride to be.
You can say that again.
Hey, where do you think I should make my clothes? Because I want to make a very fine tapad.
It's not about that. I hope it's better to dance. Not that you're dancing.
You will teach me.
I am so happy for you, my friend. Hey, I can't wait for that day.
I'm thinking.
To worry too much. Don't worry. That day is already a success.
Mrs. Obi.
Do you think he will take care of me? I mean, Obi, do you think he will take good care of me?
Joy killer, please. I am begging you. Huh? Don't kill this joy that is coming, Bikono.
I'm not trying to kill any joy. I'm not trying to kill anything. He will not take care of me. I'm just thinking about it now. Yes. Obi will not take good care of me.
Machi, something is wrong with you. Honestly, something is wrong with you.
Something is not wrong with me. He will not take care of me.
Machi!
He will not take care of me.
Machi, wait, what are you saying?
This car this morning now. This is the problem.
Come and open the door. Come and open the door.
Papa, open the door for him. Yeah? What could be the problem now? Yeah? What do we call this?
Hey, the ghost must be telling us something.
Uncle, this is just a fault. This is just a fault. There's nothing there.
Something is behind it. Is this not a new car? How can it just stop without any sign? It's a new car.
Uncle, it's my car. I know my car. Nothing is wrong with the car. This is not this car that I started this morning.
All right. Let's see what happens.
Oh.
Let's see what happens. You see? You see? Eh? You see? I told you that something it is not ordinary. Anyway, or something. Give me that drink. Give me that drink.
What is this now? What is this? Eh? When did this one start now? Yeah, I got one in here. Eh?
Me.
Uncle, what are you trying to do?
Open it. Don't ask me questions. Open it. Oh. Onye ka I mejọ? Onye ka I mejọ? Ije anyị ga-abụ ije awele.
Uncle, just stop all this things you're doing. Just stop it.
Ije anyị ga-abụ ije awele.
Nothing is not working. Just stop it. This is just a fault.
Asị m onye ọ bụla anyị mejọ. Obi. Start the car. Obi.
Uncle.
Obi Efuna. Start the car.
Uncle, you're now trying to tell me that this is the cause. Eh?
Just start the car. Start the car.
Okay.
We should have asked questions before embarking on this journey.
Uncle, I asked questions. I did. And my father knows her father too.
That is not a kind of question I am talking about.
It's all right. Now that the car has started, we can continue the journey.
If you say so,
Yes.
then we can.
I don't know what to call this. I mean, what could be delaying them? Let it not be what I'm thinking.
It's not what you're thinking, Kyo. Can you just be positive for once? Have you even called him on the phone to know if everything is alright? Come out of this mood. He's coming. Come on. Thank you.
There's no problem with that, brother. Since you decided to have your wedding in this city, there's nothing bad about it. All you need to do is make sure you do the necessary clearance for this young. Once that is done, you can go on with the ban of marriage.
Father, that is why we are here. We've already done the necessary clearance.
Everything.
Oh, that's good. It's very good. In that case, you can come next week.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Father.
Is everything alright?
Fadibe wants to talk to us.
Fadibe. I ask again, is everything alright?
So, if your husband hadn't come here after the first call of ban of marriage, you would have gone ahead and married this young man after wedding for the first time.
Father, is my husband.
Of course.
No, Father, there must be a mix-up somewhere. I've never been married before, no.
You sit before me here to tell a lie?
Father, I'm not lying. Never. Hey.
What do you have to tell me about this? Are they not your information? Are they not you? The whole thing written there.
Yes, but
what?
As it stands, young woman, you can no longer marry under Holy Catholic Church again. Excuse me.
Honestly, my love, I don't know anything, my master. I don't know anything about that, believe me.
What kind of mystery is that? If I did not grow up in this village or went to the same school with you, honestly I would have doubted this. I'm sure something is wrong somewhere. Someone somewhere is doing this evil to you.
Who did I offend? Who did I offend? Who did I offend?
No, it's okay. Please stop crying. Please. Stop crying. I will talk to Father Ibe about this and everything will be alright. Please.
Who did I offend? Who is doing this to me?
It's okay.
Osondo, did I not say it? So you cannot even see beyond your big nose. Now, look at, I said it that day. I said it that the gods are warning us not to embark on the journey. But instead, we went on it. Now look at where our stubbornness has landed us. Osondo, Be wise.
To the best of my knowledge, that girl has been in this village all her life. So, when and where did she get married that I did not know?
Hey! Osondo, we have evidence. We have evidence, we have pictures. Pictures of her marriage. The gods are revealing these secrets to us. Oh, you want to play with girls of nowadays? They will do anything and cover it up. Be wise, Osondo. Be wise.
Ichie, honestly, I believe we should still ask questions.
What question? No! What question do you want to ask? Anyway, I don't have anything with you. Obiefuna, hey, you will not marry that girl. I am telling you this from the depth of my heart. You will not marry that girl. That girl is evil. You will not marry her.
I have known Machi since we were kids. She has never been married to any man. I can even swear that she has had nothing to do with any man.
Chugo, you do not understand what this means, do you?
What I'm saying is that...
Chugo, please, stop. I need some time to clear my head. Please.
Who could that be? Who could that be? Who could that be? Who could be that wicked one? Eh? Hey! No! Not now! Not now, Bronkita! Hey! It's okay. I think he has come back to ruin my daughter's life. I know what to do this time. When do I come back?
I will send for you.
My daughter is heartbroken. Her marriage just crashed.
I said I will send for you.
Be my son. Come inside and get something to eat. What will be, will be. Hey, let's go. Come eat something.
Magic, mama. Magic, mama,
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning. Listen,
Whoever told you my daughter had been married before is a liar.
Where is she?
She's in her room.
Please. I want you to tell me the truth.
I love you. That is the truth. I cannot lie to you. That is the truth. I have not known another man until I met you. That is the truth.
I have gone to ask questions. Where? Where I went to ask questions is not important. But I was told that that girl has strong connection with marine world.
I knew it. I knew you wouldn't go to anywhere reasonable other than where you'll be told rubbish.
Aha. Papa. Obi. I know you will doubt me. But if you do, go to our house right now. You will see a mark of crab on her lap. Go. Yes.
Why didn't you clear things up before coming to me? Do I deserve this?
I'm sorry. I wanted to tell you, but you didn't want to hear me out.
You knew all about this, don't you? You knew all about this.
Sorry. Sorry this is happening. What do I need to do?
My daughter is dying. I've given her all kinds of herbs, yes, yet she stays the same.
Her spiritual husband has taken her for a wedding. Let us pray he allows her come back.
Spirit husband?
Yes, and he's a strong type.
I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. Buy those things in the list. We'll use it to appease him.
Please. don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Then, bite him. Mana, drop it. You can now go.
Is that all?
Yes. Go! Obe, go. Obe, go. Obe, go.
Strong man, leave me alone. Strong man, leave me alone. Oh, oh, I must fight you if you don't stay clear. I will fight you if you don't stay clear. Out of my way, you struck my way.
You have to buy expensive items like jewelry and any other fashion accessories. Come tomorrow. Let's try again. This will be enough to appease him.
Are you sure this will work?
Yes. If I'm not good, they wouldn't have asked you to come here. Now, drop it. Can now go. Go! Obe, go! Go! It is done!
Mama! Mama!
Machi!
Mama!
Machi, you're up!
I'm hungry.
Just wait. Let me get you something to eat.
Following you. But Mama, you told me it was Iba. You said that all the water dreams I had were a sign of severe Iba. That was what you told me.
I couldn't tell you the truth. I didn't want to scare you.
Okay, fine. Now that he has returned, how do I survive this?
We'll have to go back to Ezenwai.
Mama, please. If Ezenwai was good, she would have chased him away forever.
Those kind of spirits are very stubborn and jealous.
Yes, I'm listening. Don't talk to me. I'm listening. Yes, I'm listening. What? Any casualty? 5 persons. 5 persons died. Oh my God.
Is everything all right?
Hold on, I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
Oh my God.
What happened?
My trailer had a brake failure and ran into a mini market. Killed 5 persons. And the villagers burnt my trailer and all the goods in it into ashes.
Oh no. Oh no. Where did it happen?
God.
Where did this happen?
Along Abo.
What kind of temptation is this? Obi, your father just told me what happened. You see, things like this, even worse, will keep happening if you don't leave that girl.
This has nothing to do with that girl.
Just look at you. No! Look at you! Her spiritual husband will keep tormenting you until you leave the girl alone.
But I've left her alone.
Listen, your heart is still with her. See, things like this will keep happening. A young man loses his life because of things like this.
Uncle, nothing will happen to me.
If only you will leave that girl alone. You know you are important to us. We do not want to lose you.
So, Uncle, what do you suggest I do?
I will take you to a spiritualist who will guide you on what to do.
A spiritualist?
Yes.
Uncle, come on. You know I don't like going to those kind of places.
No. You will go this one. It is a matter of life and death.
I'll be going to the city tomorrow.
Go well.
Stay well.
Strong man, leave me alone. Strong man, leave me alone. Let my fight if you don't stay clear. I will fight if you don't stay clear. Out of my way, you struck my way. I'm talking to you. My way, you spin my way. I'm talking to you. You struck my way. I'm talking to you. I am tired. You spin me. I'm talking to you. I am tired. You struck my way. I'm talking to you. You spin me. I'm talking to you. You struck me. I'm talking to you. I'm a human being that have a right. I'm a human being that have a right. Right to hate and the right to love. Right to choose what is good for me, yeah. So I rap with my girl. Rap with my girl. I forgot to love her. I forgot to love her. When you're there, when you're there,
I've come to say goodbye.
Thank you. I will talk to you when I get to the city. Take care of yourself. I will.
God Almighty will take good care of you.
Wherever you go, always remember that I love you. I love you so much.
Because
I never knew I could see you again.
I left my heart here.
I miss you.
I've missed you too. Come on, let's run away. Let's just go to somewhere.
My mother would die if I run away.
But you're going to commit suicide. Didn't you think of that?
My mother would die of heartbreak if I run away with you.
I don't like this. He's my husband, for crying out loud. He paid my bride price.
I like Ramefa. He came here to write on your slate. He has written on your slate. Eh?
He's my husband. Obi, please wait. Obi.
Machi, get into your room and sleep.
Baba, don't go in anywhere. I'm going to sleep here with Obi. You say he shouldn't come inside.
Machi, come inside and sleep.
Mama, good night.
Hey, look at that no mother, our ammonia carrying. Both of you can come and sleep inside.
Are you and why are you following me?
I want you to stay away from my butterfly. I am kind. I don't want my kindness to take your life.
Butterfly? What butterfly are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Stay away from my bride.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do not...
You're bleeding. My goodness, you're bleeding.
Maybe I must have hit my nose somewhere. Who could have done this? Who could have done this?
Have you checked? Nothing is stolen. This is strange.
Obi, you came back yesterday?
Yes, Papa.
So, where have you been?
I've been with Machi.
I thought you've erased everything about that girl.
But I can't just bear it anymore. My heart is with her.
I know. But what will you do about her condition?
Well, I just want to take her to the city to see a strong man of God. So she'll have her deliverance. Then after that, we can have our wedding.
That's a nice idea. Nice one. I'm behind you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my son. Where's your car?
I had a flat tire, so I left it at Machi's place. But actually, I've sent a vulcanizer to get it done.
That's all right. When you get to Machi's house, tell her I want to see her.
No problem. I'll do that. I'll do just that. So, what I want to tell you is this.
Obi.
Papa.
Machi. I want the two of you to be careful in everything you do from now. Go to the chapel and pray every day. The storm will be over.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome. Obi, when did you say you are leaving?
A day after tomorrow.
That's good. I'll pray for the two of you before you leave.
Okay.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you.
Machi, you're not going to the city with that young man.
Baba.
Why? Because I said so.
Ha. Mama, don't forget that he has paid my bride price.
See, you're not going with him at all, because that man has plans.
Mama, I like Okwamefa. Don't cause my unhappiness, please.
Mama, what's your unhappiness? For what now? Okay, let me just tell you something, If you insist on going to the city, just make sure that when you come back, you will find me dead.
Mama, what do the guy? What kind of thing? Why are you behaving like this, Mama? Don't forget that this is a man that has paid my bride price.
Let me advise you, like I said, before you head off to the city, Jen and Kofi, Nela Bati, buy a box, keep it by the side, so that when I die, people can bury me. You understand what I'm
I
saying?
don't like this. I like Okwakwe fowl. I don't like it.
Okay, like it's a can actually. Okay, like a can actually. Okay, more than who didn't make a
Could this be the man in my dream? My lord, what is it? Eh?
Mama, she said I should not follow you to the city.
Why?
I don't. Why? I will tell you why. Because I said so.
Mama, we're just going to the city to sort something out.
Well, she will not follow you to the city.
Mama, she's my wife.
If you insist on taking my daughter to the city, if I die, just know that my blood is on your head.
Mama!
Shut up.
You see what I was saying? You see.
But how can she say a thing like that? Mama, she is your wife, for God's sake.
Papa, I've said all that. But her mother said she will kill herself if I take Machi to the city.
Women.
Machi, you have been lying here since morning sleeping. I've been to the farm and back and you're still sleeping.
Mama, I told you I've been feeling dizzy.
You've been feeling dizzy? Are you pregnant?
But it might be a bad news.
Bad news? What is it?
I am carrying your child.
You are carrying my child? That is not a bad news. You are my wife.
With the way my mother behaves these days, it's a bad news. Please, my love, come and take me away from here, please.
Hello? Hello? Hello, Bob. What? No. How did it happen? What happened?
The driver was shot and they hijacked the container. And the police are still searching for the thieves.
My love, how did it happen?
I don't know. All my earnings are in those goods. I borrowed over 2 million naira from my friends. This guy is all I have now.
I'm so sorry. Please, you still have me and our baby. Don't worry. Very soon, everything will be perfect again. Okay? It's okay.
Thank God you are getting better.
No, good afternoon.
Thank God some people from the water did not succeed in killing you. See, Obi, we need to talk. That is why I am here. We need to talk.
Uncle, please, please, I don't have time or any strength to talk about anything. Okay? We're just coming back from the hospital.
Whether you have the strength or not, we need to talk. That is why I am here.
Okay, what are we talking about?
She has to be us. In short, excuse us. Obi, if you continue like this, you will not last up till next 6 months. You lost your goods in the big ocean. Last month, your trailer killed close to 9 people and got burnt. Have you ever asked yourself why all these things are happening to you?
Uncle, are you trying to say that Machi is the reason of all these things?
Oh, it is obvious. It is obvious that she is the person causing it. Obi, the moment you cut off every tie with her, I believe that things will come to normal. Or even better.
Uncle, I've heard what you said.
It's okay. Let me be on my way.
If I start to look this way, I don't know confused.
Please stop this. Huh? I will be fine.
I heard everything. You should listen to him. I have to set you free. You are a good man. You don't deserve this.
You see, at this point, I don't care about anything anymore. I am going to stay with you and fight this battle with you.
I care. My love, I care. Please, It will hurt me so much if you die for this.
I am not going to die.
Oh yes, you will not die. That is why I have to set you free.
I'm sick of our unborn child.
You are still here? Yes, Imaji.
She has gone.
She has gone?
She has left me. Ichi was here.
No, this cannot happen.
Thunder. How are you?
How are you? Leave the question of how are you. I am warning you to stay away from my house. Stay away from my son.
Wait, I can't understand you. What wrong have I done?
I have warned you, and I will not warn you again. Stay away from my family.
Stay away.
But I will not advise you to go to her house now. Wait until you are strong and fit enough to walk a long distance.
Papa, I can walk to their house.
Obi, but I'm saying I will not allow you to do that.
Bonnie, you're here. Please come and sit down.
It's alright. Obi, I have come to collect my money.
But I thought I sent you a text telling you how Mike wanted to...
Please, save me all those dramas. Obi, give me my money before you die, okay? Oh, my son, please don't talk like that. You will have your money. He will give you your money. Papa, I don't want that. I don't want that, Papa. All I want now is my money. And if he doesn't have my money, I will go with his car key.
Bonnie, Mike almost shot me dead.
Do you have the money now, or I go with your car? Do you?
Papa, please help me bring the car key on top of the table.
Obi, you mean you want to let him go with the car?
Papa, just let him go with the car, okay? I want to be alive for you and match it. When I'm well, I will get another new car, a better car. Money, it's me.
What is it?
It's me.
What is it? Haven't I tried enough for you?
But it's me.
Don't just get on my nerves. On my nerves. But I tried enough for you.
But it's me. It's me. If it is fair, if it suits you to let me bear this pain alone, I will bear it for the love I have for you. If this is meant to be, I will take the pain for our sake. And if it is going to take me to the world beyond, I will gladly take it too. One more thing. I love you. I will always love you.
Mother, please. Don't say a word. Don't tell me to go back to him. I have to set him free. He's a good man. Let us bear this pain and set ourselves free. At last, everything will be fine.
Son, it breaks my heart seeing you like this.
Papa, can he ever be well again? Can I ever recover from this again?
You will. You will be well. Everything will be all right. Just be strong.
But how can I be strong? The more I try to be strong, the more I get weaker.
I understand how you feel. But just be strong for me. Or do you want me to die before my time? Come on. Let us go inside. Let's go inside.
I'll go sit up then. I saw it take you. Your money.
The one pure teaching, no? Bye bye.
If I start to look this way, I get more confused. Strange things are happening in this world. Oh, strange things are happening in this world. I know why. I'm going to wear I got my color on you. If I never know, I got my color on
Wise one.
My daughter, it has been destined from the creation of the world that you will be here today in the shrine of Apalata Oyeridibia. And I know why you are here.
Wise one, please, help me out. That's why I'm here. Help me out. I want to see him. I want to set my eyes on him and ask him some questions.
That will be difficult because he belongs to the spiritual realm, while you are just a terrestrial being. Do you think you can stand him?
Why then is he claiming ownership of me if I cannot stand him?
No problem. This will stand as an antidote to your problem. Take.
Thank you, Wazo.
When you leave here, rub this on your two eyes with your left leg hanging. Then you shall be transformed into the spiritual realm. You will see him, then you can ask him questions.
Thank you, Wise one.
Go.
Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you?
My exact question to you. Why are you doing this to me?
I am not a spirit. Why can't you look for spirits and marry?
We are both the same from the beginning.
I am tired of this. I am tired. Just take my life and let me rest.
I cannot take your life, my love.
Why are you tormenting him?
Who?
Obi. You have made his life useless.
That I will continue until he lets you be. He's stubborn.
No! You are the stubborn one.
Shut up! You are my wife.
I am not your wife.
Shut up! Do not raise your voice at me. I'm your husband.
Okay. I know what to do.
Listen. Whatever you intend to do will never change anything.
I'd rather die than let you ruin my life.
Then die. Die and join me in my kingdom.
My son.
Mama, you need pure water?
No, I don't need pure water.
Okay.
How many times will you die before your redeath?
Mama, I don't understand.
Of course, you will not understand. Let that girl go. Set yourself free. When you get home, you knit on the mud sand and rub it on your eyebrow. Then you'll understand.
God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit, Father Lord, Father Lord, I am heartbroken. I have come to make a sacrifice to you. To put all my pains in you, Lord. Father, please, lead me to the right path. Make my life beautiful.
Obi? Obi? Are you back from the market?
What happened? What happened?
What could be wrong with him?
Action, sir.
Obi, I'm ready to go out. Come back early enough to prepare dinner.
I'll do that, sir.
All right.
Obim. Obim. Obim, wait. You're not going to do this to me, are you?
What is it? Eh? Please, it is over. I don't want again. Just go home, let me be. You and your evil spirit, have you not done enough?
Hey.
Eh? Have you?
Obi, more evil spirit. How can you talk to me like this?
Please, let me be. I don't want again. Just go home. Let me be.
Obi, please. Obi, we can't do this to me here. Obi, it's me, Machi. Obi, please.
Why are you crying? You've been like this since you came back from the market. I have been asking and you're not seeing anything. Get it for? Ma, where are you going?
Bear this separation anymore.
Listen, let me make it clear to you. It is over.
No, please don't say that. Okay, what happens to our child?
When the time comes, I will come for my child.
Obim. Obim.
Strong man, leave me alone. Strong man. Stay clear. I will fight if you don't stay clear. Out of my way. You struck my way. I'm talking to you. My way. You spin my way. I'm talking to you. You struck my way. I'm talking to you.
Machi, why are you crying? Machi.
I'm talking to you. You spirit. I'm talking to you. You strong man. I'm talking to you. I'm a human being that have a right. I'm a human being that have the right to hate and the right to love, right to choose what is good for me. Yeah. So I rap with my girl, rap with my girl. I forgot to love her, I forgot to love her. And I get women that you,
Obi.
Papa, you're welcome.
I saw Machi cry as she was going.
Papa, I said welcome.
What did you do to her?
Papa, I told her it's over.
Obi, that girl has suffered a lot.
Papa, I've suffered too because of her. I've suffered more than her. But look at me today. Just look at my situation. All because of her. Papa, please, please. I don't want to ever see her again or hear anything about her. Please, I beg you. Papa, you're perfect. You're perfect.
It's alright.
Papa, as you can see, we are ready to go back to the city. I will give Obi some money to start afresh. I mean, considering all the good things he has done for me in the past, it is time for me to return favor. So So, and before you know it, he will bounce back on track again.
Oh, thank you very much, my son. God will bless you.
Amen.
Well, thank you very much.
Why not go inside and get your things? Time is not on our side.
Okay.
Yes.
My son.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Obi has been so nice.
Oh.
So, forget
This is wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you, Papa.
Papa, Machi is with my child.
Really?
Yes, Papa.
Which means the journey is just beginning.
Papa, my heart is no longer there. Please take care of yourself.
Papa. All right. Thank you very much.
What do you want?
You are pregnant for him.
It is my decision.
If you don't get rid of that child, Obi will die. I will take his life.
You will not do a thing like that.
Get rid of that child.
I will not. I will not get rid of my child, and you will not do anything to Obi.
I will do worse than that. You wait and see.
You will not harm him. You will not do anything to him. You will not do anything to him. Mama? Mama? Papa? Papa? Papa?
Yes. Machi.
Papa. Papa, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please, where is Obi?
Obi has gone back to the city.
What? When?
Yesterday. You can call him on phone.
Okay.
Machi. Are you all right? If you don't get rid of that child, Obi will die. I will take his life painfully. Child, Obi will die. I will take his life painfully.
you do this? Eh? You didn't even tell me you were pregnant. Eh? Next thing now, you tell me you did it for me. I did it to set to be free. But you know, if you're talking you were pregnant, maybe you would have brought him back instead of this. Just calm down, okay? Let me get something and clean you up, alright? Just hold on, hang in there. Hang on.
Bye. Anyone home?
Papa.
Machi.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is your mother home?
No, she has gone to the farm.
It's alright. Obi sent words. He said I should give this to you for your upkeep and antenatal. Machi, take it.
Papa, there is no baby.
What do you mean by there's no baby?
I'm sorry, Papa. I have the blood of my baby in my hands and on my head. I'm sorry.
Machi, how could you have done that? Machi! Machi! Hey!
Machi! 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 Is it true? Is it true? You wicked girl! How could you? How could you spill your own blood?
It was too much for me to bear. I didn't know what I was doing. I lost my mind. I didn't know what I was doing.
I feel like spitting on you. I feel like spitting on you. You're so wicked. You're so wicked. I feel like killing you.
If killing me will make you happy, then go ahead. I'll be glad to die by your hands. If you come back and hear that I'm dead, just know that I love you. Even in death, I will still love you.
I think I will let you both decide on what you want to do. I can't be a hindrance to both of you anymore. I have never seen this kind of love.
We are going to the city together.
When?
Tomorrow, Ness.
Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
If I were you, I would have gone to the church to make a sacrifice, asking God for protection.
Eh. You have a point. I've never thought of it before. You know what? I'll do that today.
Please do. Very important. And make sure you tell me before going with Obi to the city.
I will tell you. If I don't tell you, who will I tell?
I will. Okay, let me begin. My mother is coming back from Omogo today.
Take care of yourself.
Alright. Tell me, oh.
I will. Don't finish what your brother
No, I will.
Father Lord, I know I am a sinner. I ask for your forgiveness. Father, I'm here today to make this sacrifice with all my life savings. Please, Lord, cut me off from every evil and evil spirit. I make this prayer through Christ our Lord.
Are you aware that the creator of this universe knows the existence of all that he created?
What do you want from me?
I have come as sent by Osebolowa to do what he deserves.
And what is that?
You shall remain here till eternity. Thus says Osebolowa.
No! 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 No!
So. My love. Honestly, my love, I never knew I would be with you again.
Destiny, they said, can be delayed, but can never be denied. We are meant to be with each other.
You're an awesome man. I'll spend the rest of my life with you.
That's so sweet.
Hey, honey. I am home. Where are you?
You're welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine. How's it going?
Good. I brought you this.
Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh, they are beautiful.
I know you like it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
You know what? I want to show you something inside.
You.
Yes, me.
You.
Me.
I know what
what you want to show.
Ah, you don't know.
I know.
You don't know what I'm
I
saying.
know what you want to show me. I know. I know you. We want to see my lawyer tomorrow.
You're still serious about the court's marriage?
Yes.
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. I want to thank you. I love you.
I love you too, my king. I love you more. I love you more.
What is it? You're not looking happy. Baby, come on, talk to me.
I'm pregnant.
You what? You're pregnant? Thank you, Jesus. Thank you so much. I am so happy. Really, I am so happy. This is a good news. This is a wonderful news. Tell me, what do you want me to do for you? Tell me anything you want me to do for you. How do you want it? Where do you want it? How? I already love you. I love you, but I want to do an exceptional thing. I'm going to get a new apartment. You're going to give birth to a new baby in my new apartment. I'm going to change this house. I'm going to change everything. I'm going to buy a new car. I'm going to... Oh my God. That is why I invited you here. Here is a check. Your money.
My money? How?
I don't need to answer that question, my good friend. Thank you for everything you did for me. Take it.
Obi, can we talk like friends? I did what I did out of anger.
Glory be to God that He saved me. If not, you would have killed me. You would have killed me. You forgot that I lent you a huge amount of money, which you paid half. You.
See, Obi, I'm so sorry for everything. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Hello? Yeah, I sent you a text earlier today. Please come to the house and collect some money. I want that cement to be supplied first thing tomorrow morning.
See, Obi, I'm so sorry, please. I'm so sorry for what I did to you. Find a place in your heart to forgive me.
It's okay. I've forgiven you.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah. That's a check.
Baby, where are you?
Sweetheart.
Woo! I got something. Woo!
Can you calm down and tell me what the excitement is all about?
I've gotten the contract.
What contract?
The one I told you about. That I've been seeking from agro contractor. They asked me to supply the materials for 5 years. They're going to use it for road construction.
Oh my goodness. Yes. This is huge. Oh my darling, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. You know what, baby?
What?
I'm taking you out.
No. I should be the one to take you out for dinner. Yes. Because how much is the money in the account now?
Sweetheart.
What?
You're my husband, and it's not a crime for the wife to take the husband out. I am taking my husband out. Yeah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Don't you like it? You know my age.
Okay.
I am +1 today.
Okay.
I am +1 today.
Wow.
I am +1 today. I am +1 today.
Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years. Many more years to you. Okay, let's cut the cake.
Okay.
And the mention of our love.
Okay.
I M O V E.
Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip! Hooray!
Surprise, surprise, surprise. Can I give you a surprise?
Okay.
We are packing to our new house tomorrow. That's the surprise. That's the surprise.
Oh, wow.
Come on.
The best birthday gift ever.
I wanted to be a surprise, you know. So, hip, hip, hip,
hooray!
Hip, hip, hip,
hooray!
Hip, hip,
Yes.
Come on.
Long life and prosperity.
Jealousy, this is pure jealousy. God, you may wonder, but then don't you remind you? Still, it is in love, oh, human being is in love. Oh, survival of the fittest. Love and mercy, love and